Oh, what is that? So it's basically these Roblox story time things.
You've got to be kidding me.
Joins DH.
Hey! No words. Too fucking bad.
What in the motherfucking world just happened?
Hey, wanna be in my group?
No the fuck. Maybe he can't give me more words Tao.
Oh, no words?
Oh my god. Thank you.
77 Harp added 1 Lovener 4.
And then stomped that ugly emo.
Hey guys.
Oh, you interrupted me. Skylar, don't be so mean. Hey, aren't you that emo girl from earlier?
Hey, aren't you the ugly cunt that stomped me for no reason?
Calm down, ladies.
Give me 10k words and I'll think about it.
I'm not trying to ruin my perfect amount.
So shut the fuck up.
Avery 444 gave 1 Lovener for 10,000 words.
Whoa, I was kidding?
No, I know, Booty just loved hearing you destroy Skylar. What have you got against me? Everything.
What have I missed?
A lot.
Cole, shut up. Harper, you haven't missed much.
Oh, right, Okayo. How about all introduce ourselves then?
No.
What if I give you 5 OK words?
Yeah. Nora and I'm 15. Should we do a face rev too?
Good idea.
Okay, well, this is me.
You're so fine. In a friend way, of course.
Whoa.
77 Harper gave 500,000 words to 1 Lovener 4.
Thank you, Summik, Harper. Thank you to Avery.
Well, I think she's ugly.
Who?
You
Asked.
I'm crying.
Lem foul.
Harper, what the fuck? Skylar, you need to learn to take a fucking joke.
Literally, girl, get your goofy ass outta here.
Honestly?
Why the fuck are you guys switching on me with a emo?
Skylar, we aren't. You just can't take a joke.
Unbelievable, Harper.
Girls tfu, it's my turn. My name's Koleem 16 and Thysis me.
You are cute.
Thank you.
Fit. Cute ass.
Skylar's tfu.
My name's Avery. 15. This is me.
You're so pretty.
Lol, pick me?
Skylar, if you don't shut your ugly self up,
You'll do what?
you'll be reunite with your diaper shitting old ass granddad.
Haha, stop him crying literal tears.
Lemfoul.
Foul.
Thank you, Nora.
No worries.
Don't thank me that.
Shut up.
Bro, be quiet, for fuck's sake, it's my turn. My name is Harper, I'm 16, and this is me.
Lord.
Cute. He's mine. Bro, calm down.
I'm not anyone's, Skylar.
Ist someone take her words.
Fur.
77 Harper took 5 OK words from p.1 ROO.
Why not all?
'Cause I'm not that mean.
Debatable.